In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of junk email for good in Outlook. We'll cover both new Outlook and Outlook on the web, then classic Outlook, and wrap up with habits that keep spam out for good. If you're using new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by training Outlook on what you don't want to see. When an unwanted message lands in your inbox, right-click it and choose Block Sender. Outlook will move the message and stop future mail from that address from reaching your inbox. To fine-tune your filters, open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right. Go to Mail, then Junk Email. Under Block Senders and Domains, you'll see everything you've blocked so far. If something is still slipping through, add it here so Outlook can shut it down next time. To protect important messages, use Safe Senders and Domains. Click Add and enter addresses or entire domains you trust, like your workplace or services you rely on. Messages from safe senders bypass junk filtering and are far less likely to be misfiled. It also helps to manage the junk email folder regularly. Open it, then choose Delete All or Empty Folder to clear it. Make it a habit to scan for mistakes first. If you find a legitimate message, select it and mark it not junk. Outlook learns from that feedback and adjusts. If you're using classic Outlook on Windows, you have additional controls. On the Home tab, select Junk, then Junk Email Options. Under Options, set the protection level to High to catch most spam, or choose Safe Lists only if you want to allow mail only from your approved contacts and safe lists. Still getting variations from the same sender? In Junk Email Options, add the sender's domain to the Block Senders list so any address from that domain is stopped before it reaches your inbox. To shut down common spam sources, go to the International tab. Use the Block Top-Level Domain list to block messages from specific country codes and the Block Encodings list to filter emails in unfamiliar character sets. A few habits make the biggest difference. Avoid clicking unsubscribe in random spam. Doing so can confirm your address to the sender. Only unsubscribe from newsletters you recognize. For one-time sign-ups, consider a disposable email address so your primary inbox stays private. And in Settings, keep block pictures in HTML messages turned on. Many spam emails hide tracking images, sometimes called web beacons, that report back when you open them. Follow these steps and habits, and your Outlook inbox stays cleaner, with less noise and fewer interruptions. Thanks for watching.